Many patients come up to us and say, "நீங்க தான் கடவுள் மாதிரி." But teachers make it the society. They are the bottom of the pyramid. Without that, the pyramid doesn't exist. All of us, engineers, doctors, all of us are built only on teachers. Thank you all so much, sir. Always, I have very high regard for teachers, and more so, CVK sir and his team. It's really a fantastic team. Enjoy working hard. There is no shortcut to success. Keep this in mind. Okay, you pay his fees, he teaches infinite times. Okay, the knowledge he imparts is infinite times more than the fees we pay. Such dedication, where will you find such teachers? Make use of them. All right, work hard. And I really thank you, sir, for having so much confidence on the kid, and you really worked hard to bring it out.